Hey guys, it's Wes Hickey, Chair of the Department of Educational Leadership at the University of Texas at Tyler. And in this Weekly 5, it kind of falls into something that I've always had a pretty strong opinion of, which is the importance of early learning for our children. Back when I was superintendent, I remember going down and hanging out with the pre-kindergarten teachers during those first few days of school because the children were very much struggling to try to be a part of that kind of structure in that class. And I always thought that they were very much underpaid with what they did. And I listened to a podcast the other day on the importance of kindergarten teachers, and it really reaffirmed that idea. And what this podcast was about was research by economist Raj Chetty, and what they were looking at is ultimately the impact of kindergarten teachers and what kind of an influence they have on the lives of these children, not only as they go through school, but into adult lives. Because what they found ultimately is that scores begin to level out in school as the kids got older, but you had a lot of adult outcomes from having a great kindergarten teacher that were hard to ignore. In fact, if a student had a great kindergarten teacher, they were much more likely to go to college, much less likely to become single parents, more likely to save for retirement, and they actually had a metric in there that if they were to make more money, which was basically an extra $100 a year at age 27 for every percentile, they had moved up during that kindergarten year. And so their research looked at everything they could find. Class size, peer makeup, the socioeconomic level of the parents, everything they could find. And the one thing that made the biggest difference was having an exemplary kindergarten teacher, and ultimately found that having that great teacher early on was worth around $320,000 a year. And so this begins to show really how important those kindergarten teachers were. Now, we're not going to be able to pay kindergarten teachers $320,000 a year, but I tell you, we need to make sure that they understand how important they are to everything that goes on with a kid, not only through school, but on into adulthood. And here at UT Tyler, let us know what we can do, and remember to inspire and educate the architects of human potential.